iPhone 18 Pro launching next year with these 12 new features, while the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max are not expected to launch for another 9 months. There are already plenty of rumors about the devices. Apple's next-generation flagship is already shaping up to be one of the most ambitious iPhone updates ever. And even though the iPhone 18 Pro lineup is still well ahead of an official unveiling, a growing number of leaks, analyst reports, and supply chain whispers are painting a surprisingly detailed picture of what Apple is preparing for 2026, suggesting a strategy focused on refinement, intelligence, and future-proofing rather than radical redesigns, starting with the overall look, which is expected to remain familiar at first glance, featuring the same 6.3-inch display for the iPhone 18 Pro and a massive 6.9-inch panel for the iPhone 18 Pro Max, along with Apple's signature flat edges and premium materials. But beneath that familiar exterior lies a series of meaningful changes, including a redesigned plateau camera housing that still contains 3 rear cameras yet integrates more seamlessly into the back glass for a cleaner and more durable finish, while one of the most anticipated upgrades finally moves from rumor to serious possibility with under-screen Face ID, a long-term Apple goal that would allow facial recognition sensors to sit invisibly beneath the display, leaving only a small front camera cutout position in the top left corner of the screen, dramatically improving immersion for videos, gaming, and everyday use while maintaining Apple's industry-leading biometric security. And speaking of cameras, Apple appears ready to push mobile photography further with a variable aperture system on at least one rear camera, allowing the lens to physically adjust how much light enters the sensor, giving users better low-light performance, improved depth control, and more natural background blur, without relying entirely on software processing, an upgrade that could narrow the gap between smartphones and dedicated cameras even further. And powering all of this will be the A20 Pro chip, reportedly manufactured using TSMC's cutting-edge 2-nanometer process combined with new advanced packaging technology, making it not just faster, but significantly more efficient, enabling stronger AI performance, longer battery life, and more headroom for future features tied to Apple Intelligence, while Apple also seems ready to simplify user interaction with a redesigned camera control button, removing swipe gestures in favor of a cleaner, more reliable physical input that prioritizes speed and consistency, particularly for creators and photographers who want instant access without accidental inputs. And on the design side, Apple is rumored to be experimenting with changes to the rear ceramic shield and glass finish to improve MagSafe charging efficiency and durability, possibly introducing a more frosted or matte appearance that resists fingerprints while subtly refreshing the iPhone's visual identity. And connectivity is where the iPhone 18 Pro could quietly make one of its biggest leaps, as Apple is expected to further roll out its in-house cellular technology with an Apple-designed C1X or C2 modem handling 5G and LTE, reducing reliance on third-party suppliers while improving power efficiency and tighter hardware-software integration, alongside a new Apple-designed N1 chip or newer that would manage Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, and Thread support, unlocking faster speeds, lower latency, and improved performance across smart home devices and accessories, reinforcing Apple's long-term ecosystem strategy. And perhaps one of the most futuristic additions of all is web browsing via satellite, expanding Apple's existing satellite communication features beyond emergency use to limited internet access in remote areas, a move that could be life-changing for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and users in regions with unreliable connectivity, while Apple is also reportedly exploring new color options to freshen up the Pro lineup, including deep burgundy, warm brown, and rich purple tones that move away from traditional silvers and grays without sacrificing the premium feel. And on the hardware side, the iPhone 18 Pro Max may become slightly thicker than its predecessor, a change that may go unnoticed visually but could allow Apple to include a significantly larger battery, addressing one of the most common user demands and reinforcing the Pro Max's reputation as the endurance champion of the lineup. And all signs point to Apple maintaining its familiar release schedule, with the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max expected to launch in September 2026, continuing the annual rhythm while delivering upgrades that feel both forward-looking and carefully measured. And when you step back and examine these 12 rumored features together, a clear pattern emerges. Apple isn't chasing flashy gimmicks, but instead refining the iPhone into a smarter, more capable, and more autonomous device built for the next decade of mobile computing. And our recommendation is simple. If you're currently using an older iPhone and care about long-term performance, camera innovation, battery life, and next-generation connectivity, the iPhone 18 Pro series may be worth waiting for rather than upgrading sooner, especially as Apple continues shifting more intelligence and capability directly onto the device itself. And if you want to stay ahead of iPhone leaks, Apple rumors, and future tech explained clearly and consistently, make sure you keep watching TechVerse.